What's up? To the official first gameplay video I'm going to be making. So, welcome to the Zuluman's channel, bro. So don't mind that box. I'm going to review that chair. This is the chair I'm sitting on. I'm still going to show you my equipment and the one at the top. See that one? And that's my window frame for my future machine. Don't worry. And these are my pillows, and there's some equipment underneath that I need to review here. So we're going to be playing GTA. As you saw on the title, we're going to be playing GTA 5 for the first time. So GTA was released, I think, in 2013. That's about 15 I don't know, 16 17 years since it was released. I've been stuck with GTA San Andreas because it's the only thing you can play on a potato PC. So right now I'm going to be trying this GTA, right, for the first time, because you know next year they're releasing GTA 6. So I finally became a streamer before they release GTA 6. A lot of things are happening, and it's only going to be playable on PlayStation 5. So like, share, and subscribe. Let's get monetized. Let's buy that PlayStation 5 so you can play GTA 6 together. Let's do this. So the first thing I'm going to do is release that thing over there. Right, so this is my GTA here. See, so what I need to do is release my thing at the top, my green screen. I'm sure you're already aware of this kind of things, but I'm using a blue cloth instead. Voila, that's it. So I'm going to show you something. Okay, and then we remove our background. Since I don't know what we're doing, what we're getting ourselves into, I don't know if I'm going to have my thing. This is what we do. We remove we crop here. Okay, I wanted to show you the whole thing, but I can't. And I'm going to have to turn my light on, and then I filter everything. It looks like this. So when I'm filtering, it's going to look like this, and then you press chroma key. These are the settings. The settings, they differ, you know, they differ. But now we cannot see properly, see, because I need to turn on my light at the back, the white light. See, this is me here, this is me, and I need to like properly set this. This is an unedited video, so I'm not sure if you went looking for something like this. I don't know, bro. So remember, my chair has some black. As you can see, I'm going invisible already. I don't want to go invisible. You can also adjust the light at the back. If you got yourself cheap stuff, you cannot afford to adjust. As you can see, I've adjusted myself. My light has dimmed a bit because I need to get myself back. I don't know if you can see me proper. My chair is even running away, bro. Look at my chair. No, I don't need. And then I adjust this and make it a bit smaller. because I don't know where I'm going to place it, the left or the right, you know. Okay, there we go. Yeah, there we go, there we go, here we go. And then, most importantly, I bought myself these. These are PlayStation 4. Not the PlayStation 4, you know. But I got myself, these are the fake ones. Then you just turn it on and you plug it to your PC. I reviewed them on my, if you're watching this video, watch the video before this one. So you can see. See, my hand disappeared. My hand just disappeared. But when I'm sitting like this, no one can see that my hand disappeared. So, I'm going to be playing story mode. I won't go online because I don't know what's going on in GTA. I need to familiarize myself with the controls and stuff. So here it says play GTA, create a new GTA online character. No, I don't want to play online. I want to play story mode. Okay, there's members only. Sign up to GTA to claim. What is GTA? No. I need to play GTA story mode. Yeah, this is it. So I'm going to figure out where I'm putting my webcam, you know. Escape is to quit, obviously, we know that. Or accept is to resume. Enter is to resume. So I think this side there's nothing much. You need to see where I'm placing my webcam because there's nothing, it's just some loading. It's saying entering story mode. Story mode can be played offline, by the way. So before this I tried to play GTA, I tried to play Call of Duty. Okay. Back to playing. Okay, what's going on? Okay, I can see here it says player, enemy, friend. So this is me here and there's an enemy here. And there are two friends. Switch views using what? Cap. Or like caps lock. Oh, this is a very long road. Okay, this is the blip. Yeah, you can see it. I don't know, bro. Let me try to get myself this side. See, these are the instructions here. I don't know if you're going to be fine playing like that. This is the NM. Okay, let me say back to escape.
Down there!
Oh, damn.
Alright, everybody pays attention. No one gets hurt. Go! Open the door! They'll get worse than hurt!
I think I'm fine this side, bros. Because I'm not playing. No, I'm playing looking like this a bit. Even though I'm supposed to play looking like this because my screens are like.
Hey! Come on!
Yeah, and I also have the map. So this is good because the map is also on the left. So that's why my camera is good that side. So it's a win. Let's keep playing. Adjusting my volume.
Let's go! Shut up! Shut the fuck
Go
up!
to card. How do I go
Come
to
on!
card?
In the back! Come on! Come on! In the back! Come on! Let's go! Come on!
No, wait.
Get in here and...
I need to adjust my settings, bro. My controller doesn't work. There it is. So I'm using this controller which they like to route these things into this because this does not work, does not get supported. So the green screen is removing the black. Move. Stealth mode. Yeah, I know this one. Zoom aim, look. Fire weapon. Okay, on phone. Key binding. Let's bind the keys. Peace to pause. So MASD. Wait when I get to the card. This is what I need.
Deal with the guard.
Why is it not moving, bro?
In here, come on.
No. I cannot work if this is not moving. Is it even connected? It's connected, yeah. How do I set? Wait a second, hold on a second. It's okay, it doesn't matter with my Wi-Fi because I'm not playing online. Okay, I'm going to alright, we're back. My controller is working. It's working. Yeah, it's working. So I will show you how I got it to work, bros. Yes, yes. It's a lot of work. It's a lot of work. Remember, I'm playing it for the first time, so I didn't anticipate that it was going to be like this. So here it's working. Oh. See? Oh yeah, as you can see, I have my controllers at the bottom. I don't know. Be back.
Get in here and deal with the guard.
Hands behind your back.
Come on, son.
Give me everything you want.
Don't even think about it.
I'll do it, I'll do it. Oh, God.
Get in there.
Sit tight. I'll handle the plastic.
Don't blow yourself up. Listen up.
M, get these assholes in the closet.
I don't understand. What's happening now?
I said the closet. Get them in there. Come on. What is the problem? Why are they still out here? You were meant to lock them down.
In the back.
What's
Come on.
he doing?
Hurry.
Kill us in here. Leave us alone. We didn't do shit to you.
All set. Phone it in.
I'm making the call.
Oh yeah, they weren't talking to me. It wasn't me. It wasn't. A for contact
Get
list.
your cell out and dial.
Oh, detonate is a. Oh, it's vibrating, bro. It's vibrating. It's vibrating. It's some great experience,
You can do
bro.
this.
Location I'm marked
Show
with
me the
0.
money.
Okay,
Slow
let's go.
and steady, T. Slow and steady.
Where do I spring? Ay. Oh yeah, there we go, there we
There
go.
it is. We're just taking the
Collect the cake. Only 2,000,
There's
bro,
enough
only
here for us all to
2,000.
enjoy.
Depends on how you look at it.
You know what?
We gotta move.
I'm going to go to my settings so I can remove some of the parts from where I'm standing to this side, you know. Voice chat, display. Okay, hold on. I'm going to pause this game. Okay, seems like I cannot hide the things. I have to play them. That means you won't see the phone, or because I'm sitting where the phone is and I cannot move to where the map is, because we need to see the map. So let's just play, bro. Let's forget about a lot of things. I'm not sure if you can hear my gameplay, but let's play. Where are we going now? Okay, so we are going to take 179,000.
Give it up! I got him! I
Oh,
saw your face, I'll
damn
remember
it.
you.
Get
Now we
1,000
have to take
things
him
every
out.
day. How about you make sure this is one of them?
I've seen his eyes! He's crazy!
No one's crazy. Right there.
Wait, I have to reduce my volume on the video side, on the video intake. I don't know how it's gonna sound. It could be bad, but let's just enjoy the game.
Be cool.
How do I target him?
Pal. I'm fucking crazy.
To switch hold
All right, look. you
L
wanna
alt.
live? Tell me you want to live. We'll work this out.
For sure I want to live!
Why is
Go,
alt?
put your gun down!
Ain't gonna happen, pal. Make a move. I got all day. It looks like the cavalry ain't gonna show, pal.
Oh yeah. No, what the hell am I doing? Okay. Ellen, I shot the wrong person, bro. Yes. Tap to restart. Restarting the mission will result in losing checkpoint progress. Are you sure you want to restart? Let's do it again. Yes, let's restart.
Get down there.
All right, everybody.
I hope
pay
this is
attention.
quality.
No one gets hurt.
Go! Open the door! They'll get worse than hurt! Hey! Hey! Ah! Come on! Ah, finally!
Don't do anything.
Let's go! Shut up! Shut the fuck up! Come on! In the back! Come on!
Hands behind your back.
Come on, mister, we're giving you everything you want.
Don't even think about it.
I'll do it. Oh, God.
Get in there!
Sit tight! I'll handle the plastic!
Don't blow yourself
See
up.
how many enemies are there?
Pay attention.
M! Get these assholes in the closet!
How do I aim, bro?
Come on, let's go.
Oh!
Hurry! I said the closet! Get him in there! Come on!
Kill us in here!
Oh yeah!
alone.
I found the aim,
What
bro.
is
I
the
found the
problem?
aim.
Why are they still out here? You were meant to lock them down! In the back! Come on!
Okay, now I see. We aim with this one. See this one? We aim with our L2 and we shoot with our R1.
All set! Phone it in!
No, with our...
I'm calling it.
Ooh, and it's vibrating.
call already.
I already memorized it, bro. See the phone. You cannot see the phone because it's at the phone. I like the vibration on the short stick or whatever this is.
All right.
I have to review these, bro.
Show me the money.
Slow and steady, T. Slow and steady.
I have to review these, bro. Take a lot did me justice here. I don't know. Oh yeah.
That's the score. Remember, just the nonsense.
Now I need to know how to kill the card.
To enjoy.
Need to know how to kill the card.
Come on.
Now we are left with 178. Where are we going? Yeah, this one.
Coming out, B. Give it up. I got him.
Ah. I hate this guy, bro. I hate this guy.
You get 1,000 things every day. How about you make sure this is one of them?
I've seen his eyes. He's crazy.
No one's crazy. I think. Be cool.
Oh yeah. Where is R? A to start recording.
That's right, pal. I'm fucking crazy.
Oh boy. All right, look. You want to live? Tell me you want to.
While holding, use R to select the character. Where is R, bro? Where is R?
We'll work this out for sure.
I want to live. Tell me, put the gun down.
Ain't gonna happen, pal. Make a move. I got all.
I'm confused.
All day.
Oh! Oh, the card. Oh!
You didn't have to do that.
There we go, bro.
There'll be time for
I don't
crazy
even know what I
later.
did there, bro. I don't even know what I did. Get cover. RP. What the hell is RP?
What are you doing?
RP.
I'm ready to do this. Now get him covered. Quit fucking around and get down.
Ooh! I found cover, bro. It's here. It's-
Timer, so brace yourself.
I like the vibration, bro.
Oh, fuck, you hear that? Sirens. Fuck the cops. T,
What the hell is L, bro? Where's the shutter door? Where's the...
Heads down. We gotta go. Who snitched?
Blame the pricks who called you out here.
We switch weapons right here. Here.
Forward. What the fuck is this?
Get out of the way.
We keep going forward. Drop it, prick.
They answered the wrong call.
Move. Get down.
Bro, I think I'm
Don't be as
getting
dumb as you
hit.
look.
Dumb fucking cops. Move. We're coming through.
It's your last day. Back the fuck down.
Get in their faces.
Okay.
Come on, guys.
Get out of the way or suffer the consequence.
Fuck these guys.
It's over.
Oh, what the hell? Oh, I can't aim, bro. I can't aim. I'm a bad aim. Oh yeah. Ah, T died. Man, I can't aim, I can't do a simple thing. Restart Y. Retry A, yes, I'm retrying.
Be an idiot! Wrong profession! We bring it to him! Get out of here! You shouldn't have been a cop! I ain't laying down for them!
Oh,
Who's sick? Blame the pricks who called you out here! Press forward! What the fuck is this? Ah! Get out of the way! We keep going forward! Drop it, prick! They answered the wrong call! Move! Get down! Don't be as dumb as you look! Dumb fucking
Claro.
cops!
Bro, how do we get the hell out of here? Remember, there's a cop here. Remember, there's a cop behind this thing. Yeah. Oh! What the hell, bro? What the hell? Yo, T keeps dying. I just need to figure out how.
We're coming through! Back the fuck down! Get in their faces! Come on, guys! Get out of the way or suffer the consequence! Fuck these guys! Don't be an idiot! Wrong profession! We bring it to them! Get out of here! You shouldn't have been a cop! I ain't laying down for them!
Ah, man. There's no way I keep dying like this, bro. There's no way I keep dying. And I'm not going to restart the machine.
Blame the pricks who called you out here!
Yeah, blame them, bro.
Fast forward! What the fuck is this?
Escape the cops. How do I escape the cop?
We keep going forward! Drop it, prick!
Oh,
They
yeah.
answered the wrong call! Move!
I can aim like this.
Get down! Don't be as dumb as you look! Dumb fucking cops! Asshole! Move! We're coming through! Back the fuck down! Get in their faces! Come on, guys!
Oh, no.
Get out of the way or suffer the consequence! Fuck these guys! I'm not for you!
Ooh. That's one hell of a headshot, bro. That's one hell of a headshot.
Fuck you, buddy!
I think I'm getting the hang of this, a bit by bit.
It's over!
I'm getting the hang, bro.
Shit!
Oh, you dead, boys. You dead. You dead. Oh. Ah. I pressed the wrong button. I was supposed to like crouch, and now I'm dead again. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Be an idiot! Wrong profession! We bring it to them! Get out of here!
Yeah, we bring it to them, bro.
I'm gonna die breathing right! You shouldn't have been a cop! I ain't laying down for them! Who snitched?
I need to take care of the guy on the left.
Blame the pricks who called you out here! Press forward! What the fuck is this? Get out of the way! We keep going forward! Drop it, prick!
Damn
They
it.
answered the wrong call! Move! 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 Get down! Don't be as dumb as you look! Dumb fucking cops!
Ooh. He's dead. Look. Oh, come on.
Right!
I think I had a good spot here.
Unbelievable!
Oh, that's a bad aim. That's a bad aim, bro. Ooh. Haha. Come on, show your face. Oh. Oh, he's dead. Come on, get up. He's dead. Only 2 officers are left. Ooh.
Holy cow!
No, no, no. Why are you waking up, bro? Why are you waking up?
Let's get out of here!
Come on.
Can't be many more cops in this town! Bring him! This is fucked, man! Thing is blown!
How do I get into this
I
gun?
got my share! It's still wide open! wasn't in the job description.
Ah, what the hell? Ah, tiens. Hey, Tanana Zoo. Ooh, he's dead. Sharp hands, bro.
Let's go.
Sharp hands. Haha.
I hope he's waiting.
Shy, hello.
Let's move. Come on. Let's move it. You in here now.
Final.
Shut the fuck up and drive.
Did you see that shit? Fucking put that bitch's face against the glass.
Man, there are a lot of patines that are not
Yeah,
here.
you're real stout.
Fuck, how'd that happen? Go.
So I have to drive. I think I have to drive. I think I have to drive. Oh, damn. Our getaway driver is dead.
Come on, let's get to the chopper.
Oh,
We move quick, we can beat the train. We're getting there.
get in the. Oh yeah, why, right?
Man, I'll believe in this bird when I get eyes on it.
Mike?
I
say
say
there's a
chopper, there's a chopper. We stick to the plan, we're home free. All right, yeah, fuck 'em, man, fuck 'em.
I'm using my keyboard now, bro.
Man, I thought this score was supposed to be an easy take. It's all gone crazy. Cops, coming our way.
Be cool. They ain't made this car yet.
Shit, roadblock.
Go right. Beat the train, man.
Ooh. Yeah.
You guys all right?
Puma motweni.
Fuck. Come on. Ditch the car, all right? We can go this way to the chopper.
I don't know why I can't drive with my
Stick to the
my
plan.
controller.
What?
Stick to the fucking plan. Come on.
What's the plan? What's the plan?
Where the fuck's the chopper? Fuck.
Shit. So there's a shootout here.
Back. Ah!
Oh, another member is gone.
Someone fucking talk!
Alright,
There's a
Brad's gonna
snitch.
be fine.
I think he's the one who died, bro. The getaway driver.
I'm hit! Oh, Jesus! T, you gotta get out of here!
I'm gonna leave you, Mikey!
Go! God, I'm not gonna be fucking gonna bleed out. Go!
No! Motherfuckers! It's over! Die, you cocksucker!
Hey, die.
Fucking die! All of you!
Where's my aim, bro?
I'm standing here! Finish me! Kill me, you pricks!
No!
Hey, hey!
I don't think he's coming out of this alive, bro. Who's this one? Is this Michael or what?
Where's the chopper?
It's supposed to be a
Stay
chop.
back! You come near me, she's fucking dead! Stay back! Go! Go!
This is the life, bro. This is the life. Is the mission over? Just like that. I'm becoming a goat, bro. Let me charge my laptop.
Was not always a good,
Oh, man.
not always a good citizen. He did not die a hero's death, but he was a man. Our Lord was crucified with 2 thieves. So perhaps we should not judge. We are born of sin and we die in sin. And in this, Michael is like anybody else. Father,
Okay, moment of silence is over. He's alive. You can see him. I don't know. He went to jail or he escaped.
you will show mercy to our friend.
Oh, Michael. I think he faked his death. Now GTA has started, bro. GTA has started. So I'm not going to continue playing this. I just want you to like, share, and subscribe. We're going to get on it and keep on playing. So let's just watch a bit of the story mode. I don't
Your
want to
son,
go over
James.
an hour.
He's a good kid.
He's a good kid? A good kid?
Yeah, he's a good kid.
Why? Does he help the fucking poor? No.
Where's the volume, bro? I need the volume up. The guns are gone and stuff. So right now we need the volume to come back up.
He sits on his ass all day, smoking dope and jerking off while he plays that fucking game. If that's our standard for goodness, no wonder this country's screwed.
And what about you?
What
Oh,
about me?
it's a therapy session.
Hey,
Can I even skip this, bro?
I don't have the advantages that kid has. By the time I was his age, I'd already been in prison twice. I robbed banks. I ran.
Oh yeah, I can skip. Press enter and skip. Why did I even skip?
Damn.
How
This
do we
nigga
run
must got
again?
the baby dick.
Yeah. And all this shit paid for with bad credit.
Cat catching catching strays. Yes, yes. See the interesting is
Oh, come to daddy.
choose one of
Which
these
one you
cars.
want, nigga?
Y, X, Y. Red.
Like that? Bobby
Just
big
like my
dick on
chair.
a nigga, huh?
Just like my chair.
Shit, for real, homie. Damn, this motherfucker got robo-roof and everything, nigga.
He should have paid the nizzo.
Man, you gotta grind to keep that shit. Now it's back on us.
Hell yeah, I want to see what it do. Hey,
On the
hit me
win
on the
station, I request this
speakerphone,
button.
Oh, it's like that? For sure, homie.
Ah!
Ow!
Man, get in the car, man. I'm just going to.
Right up here, homie. I'm about to go nice and slow for your bitch ass.
Shit, cool, homie.
We lost him. We lost him.
Come on. Shit, come on.
I'm just trying to figure out how can I drive with the mouse.
Damn.
With the
This nigga must got the baby dick.
Yeah, and all this shit paid for with bad credit.
Come to daddy. Which one you want, nigga?
Like that?
Stop asking
Bobby
questions,
Big Dick
bro.
on a nigga, huh?
Right up here, homie. I'm about to go nice and slow for your bitch ass.
Hey, remember we gotta be careful with these rides, homie. The Simeon ain't about to dock my pay again.
Homie, man, if you need some bread, I can hook you up with JB's tow truck. It ain't got glamour, but it's some money to be made.
So him and Tanya can smoke crack and pee.
careful with this car, bro. Look at how you're driving.
Hey, dog, we be doing Simeon a disservice if we ain't test these rides out.
He ain't even gonna know if they good if we don't push him to the brink. You feel me?
Yeah.
Right, homie.
What, I hear you.
Keep busting low.
Yeah.
Right,
Ooh, the
right,
sensitivity is dope, bro.
Okay.
Up here, to the studio. Let's show these movie people how we do.
Get the hell out of my way, bro. I have to fail a mission here.
Look out the way. Oh, we filming shit here, huh?
I'm not afford to fail this mission.
Man,
Spend your next few minutes listening to these lovely commercials. You hear me?
I think I messed up this car. I don't know if this is failing the mission or something.
please, homies.
You wanna get whips like this, you gotta stay on your gridiron.
Nigga ain't do some time over nickels and dimes. I think the repos, dog.
Without changing a thing. That's right. I know it sounds crazy, but you heard right. I want you to achieve all of your goals without doing anything. When you unlock the power of rebranding, you can do anything you want. Yes, in our nation's history,
Man, my driving is bad. I started off good. I don't know what the hell happened.
built America, and now it's going to build you thanks to the power in my incredible book, Unlock the Power.
We going left into this parking lot.
You're engaging in creative
This meant to be your shit.
Whatever, homie.
Unlock the Power by Allison Montana will help you change your self-perception forever. Forever.
Devin Weston profits from Congress's decision to allow Meriwether Security Consulting to
Where the hell is this guy
I'm gonna
taking
make a
me?
withdrawal, homie.
You dumb motherfucker. That's the Union Depository.
agencies and villages in the capital.
It's official. Epsilonism is not a cult.
Oh, look at my car, bro. It's damaged.
What you
Damaged.
gonna slow up the road for, dog? Move over so the traffic can flow through.
Whatever, nigga.
It's the last
I'll let
machine,
something
bro.
flow
It's
through
the
your
last machine.
ass.
Dog, I ain't too sure that joke works, dog.
Oh, shit.
Oh, shit, the one time.
Be cool, fool. We got the...
No, enter is to speed.
% stake in Meriwether. Percival, meanwhile, was happy after defeating
Use the
a
cop.
plan to outlaw the expansion of Meriwether's domestic operations. Expect more privatized high-security firms to begin domestic operations as the war on terror continues to rage.
Crime is on the rise, and politicians are blaming lack of media.
Yeah. I'm just going to punch it. What the hell is Caps? I'm a good citizen, bro. Why am I driving like this? There's a cop behind me. Oh, I'm no longer wanted.
While I was a member of Black Flag, I was arrested a couple of times for doing really incredibly stupid things.
Take the car to the dealership.
Friends get beat up by the police. Sometimes you take matters into your own hand, and so I got to spend the night in the county jail. Getting thrown into the paddy wagon. There are no seats. There's no place to sit in the paddy wagon. What they do is they purposely
now I'm officially no longer wanted.
Every 50 yards or
so complete this mission and we're done for the day, bro.
On the floor.
This game is nice.
The gentlemen that were in the paddy wagon with me would fall on top of this one guy who had the bottle of wine in his pants. So it turned into this scene where everybody fell on top of this guy and they all had their hands down his pants.
So the controller doesn't control anything with the car. I don't know. Maybe I need to set up the settings. Fix the settings. Dealership is here, bro. We arrived at the dealership. Let's see what's happening. I think I saw a video of this.
I don't get you, bro.
But I won't take this machine.
And I don't like you, and I will not sell you this car. I will not. You make my skin crawl, you neo-Nazi. Hey, you are all the same. You're disgusting. This racist insulted me.
Hey, what's up, fool? Who you calling a nigger? No, I'm not calling nobody a nigger.
Yeah, you can't do that, bro. You can't do that.
So, Jimmy, are you sure you are man enough? Take the wheel and show me.
Sure, okay. How about we fall through, homie?
Excellent. Now, listen to the quality of the stereo. No, it's too much for you. You need a compact.
Whoa, no way, man. Compact? I'm a high roller. SUV guy.
Why is my controller no longer working? Oh, damn it. Oh, it's off. That's why I could not drive. Let me see if I could drive now. And then we are done for the day. Yo.
This chump change. How I'm gonna knock a bad, grown and sexy bitch if I ain't got a fat pizzaki? Who you trying to impress?
Your auntie Denise with all that ass, nigga, she got ass.
She grown, yeah. She grown into a fucking idiot.
No, she's sexy.
Sexy? She more like obsessed with sex, nigga.
Oh, mad for the penis. That's exactly how I like my women.
Eddie's a little upset.
Yeah, popcorn, man. Popcorn. You got any popcorn record, man?
I think we do have.
That's it for the day, guys. That's it for the day. How do I save this? Rockstar account caps. Let me search how do I save my game, bro. I don't want to lose my game. I only have $78, bro. Yo, it's hard being a black person, bro. Even in video games. Save my GTA V progress. So now I have to make another video reviewing a lot of things around here. So guys, like, share and subscribe. That's all I have for you, bro. That's good. It was a very, very good 1 hour. Let me search here. Okay, so according to ChatGPT, how we save the game is simply bro. Let me check. Okay, ChatGPT is saying this saves everything: mission, location, mine, weapon, and progress. The first one on the phone, or you sleep, you go to Michael of Franklin's or Trevor's house, walk to the bed, press the prompt to sleep. Important: GTA V does not autosave everything unless autosave is enabled. Make sure it's on. Okay, let's see our autosave. Autosave, they say it's settings. Autosave, okay, saving. There's no autosave here, but the savings. Autosave is on. Okay, autosave is on. Let's see what happens when you close the game now. How do we close the game? How to exit the game? See, we are learning. And how do we exit the game? Because I want to see if it's telling me about unsaved work and stuff. I really enjoy this game, boy. So guys, just need to like, share and subscribe. Okay, it says press escape to escape the game. Setting of game. Look for quit game. There's no quit game here. Select exit to desktop. Bro, there's nothing like that here. What the hell is he talking about? None of these are there, bro. No, bro, it's story mode, story mode, story mode. It's the story mode. I might even search YouTube. How do I close GTA? GTA V. Story mode. With the internet, you need to be specific, bro. Okay, you must. If none of these appear at all. Okay, they say we press escape game. Quit game. Hades. Let's see. Okay, we're going to try and play again and see if our progress has been saved. So let me see you guys. Let me see you here. Let me see you here. Let me put everything down so I can see you properly. See, now we are getting exposed again. Yeah. Then I switch off my light. Switch off my light. Okay. Alright guys, that's it. That's it. Like, share and subscribe. That's it for today. Not really for today, but for this video specifically, just for this video. I'm now going to go and review my things and show you how I built my setup, maybe show you the prices and stuff, you know. So like, share and subscribe. Sadly, I'm not streaming this. Everything is ready to stream. As you can see, everything is nice. It's ready to stream, even the chat, just everything, but my internet is too slow for me to go and stream. So like, share and subscribe, guys. Thank you very much for being here. I even forgot what I used to say. Bye bye.